Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at Aapl on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames, and we're going to try to figure out where this thing could possibly be going up to. So we have a gap fill right around 108.91. We have a gap fill, or a gap window, gap fill right around 110. I'm thinking we're going to fill this gap, and then we're going to see how it reacts. We've been moving up. We did confirm above the 200 MA, and we're confirming above the trend line right here. But ultimately, we're looking at the weekly. The weekly is the one where we have a big trend line and we're above the 50. I want to see confirmation above the 50 at the end of the week, or do we reverse down and come back and kiss the 50 and possibly go lower? So right now, if you want to short Aapl, you could up here, but be willing to add more in the 112 area, and then possibly this breakdown bar around 120. So use strict money management. Don't go all in here to start to nibble as this thing starts moving up. Markets like this, we can catch a bid. And let's look at it this way. Aapl has not moved in a long time. The markets are trying to break out. So they got to get Aapl going out of the blue. But again, on the weekly chart, we're up almost 6 weeks. Good move. I want to see more conviction, and I want to see this volume stay heavy like this candle when they pushed it up. But I think this is when all the bulls came on and said, oh, it's ready to break out. So we'll see. But Aapl, I still believe, is a weak stock. And like I talk about with the SPY and the IWM and all that, the IWM is lagging. This is lagging. JPM's lagging. The SPY's at all-time highs. All the leaders are lagging. If this market was so strong, these things should be leading the way up, not lagging. This is Aapl. Come on, guys. Aapl. This should be leading the way, not lagging. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Monthly, great inside bar. We're 4 months sideways, but it's coming to the top. We have great resistance around 112 and then 115. So until this thing gets above 115, it gets into this 120 area or 119 or so, I think we're coming up here. We're going to go straight down again. And that's when the markets are going to dump, and this is going to dump. Let's go back into the daily. Until then, we're looking for gap fill, 112. We'll see how it reacts up in this area. See if it comes straight up, consolidates, and possibly makes another move. But again, everything will be a market trade with the SPY. SPY starts to sell, it's all going to be over. All right, everyone. Thanks again for watching. This is John at StockBookie.com. God bless. See you on the charts.